on his bumper like a
bumper rider.
Like
Bumper
a tick
rider.
on a dog.
What was that, a Freightliner?
Yeah, Freightliner. Oh, there it is. There is the glorious Peterbilt that I have been waiting for. The whole trip.
Glorious, glorious, Peterbilt, Peterbilt. We have been waiting on you all trip. We call you 389 'cause you drive oh so fine, Mr. Peterbilt.
Okay, I'm going to have to roll down the windows for this one.
Papa's gonna help you with it.
Okay.
Getting this 389 to pull his big old this truck up here. You gotta roll your window down, help get him to blow his
See
whistle.
his pipes? Look at his pipes.
Yeah, those are big chrome stacks.
Chrome stacks. See those chrome stacks?
Yes.
On each side.
You'll probably be able to hear them before you see them. Oh my goodness. There is the Peterbilt that I've been waiting for.
Oh, it's a sleeper too. It's got a cabin in it, a sleeper.
Oh yeah.
Papa, you're gonna
That's a deluxe.
Come on. Wait. Come on, get up beside him.
No, there was no warning. Sounds
Okay, we're getting up. He's from NISSIPPI. Woo! Got him.
He's coming with us.
see if you gotta get these guys to the wiggle wiggle. What do you think?
I don't know.
Still got your thing
Careful,
recording.
Scout's helmet, guys.
Yeah, get her to do the wiggle wiggle. Say wiggle 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 wiggle.
It's
No?
not aerodynamically correct.
What is it?
Well, that's,
Slowing it down.
she has earphones up there.
Really?
No.
Got me.